Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find out when is the best time for you to post on Instagram. Let's launch the Instagram app and let me show you where is the secret. The first thing that you want to do, you want to go on your landing page on your account. So go ahead and click on the lower right corner. When you're at your own profile, the best indicator for you seeing when and how your posts are performing is simply by clicking on professional dashboard over here. You want to click on it. This will simply give you a very good explanation of the traffic, the posts, the performance, and the followers. So if you want to go ahead and click and see individually how things are going, all you gotta do is to click on accounts reach and see that majority of your posts are simply hitting accounts that are not currently following you. So this means that your posts are originally taking traffic from the For You page on the overall Instagram. It's not from people who are following you. The second step over here is to go on the total followers and to see when these followers are actually active, where these followers are coming from, and essentially when is the best time for you to post according to the numbers, right? If you look at over here, you can follow the active times chart by hours or by days. Let's start with the days so we can actually figure it out. All we gotta do is to click on individual chart bar so you will see when do we have most of our followers that are online. So if you look, we have the highest day, looks like it's gonna be Monday with 2147 followers active. So if we pick up Monday, right, to be the top performing day, then we want to go by hours and you want to move the chart on Monday. In this particular example, you will see that in Monday in particular, we have the highest number of active users that are currently following us between the time of 9 a.m. all the way down to 3 p.m. So between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. we had over 800 people who are active. So this is how you're planning your content. This is how you're planning to push majority of your content. So if you know that the most day with the highest traffic is on Monday between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m., well, most likely you're gonna focus to post the most between this time frame on Monday. And every other day you can simply find out which time frame worked the best for you. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.